Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today, we bring you the exciting and memorable final match of our village volleyball league. This tournament was organized by the young people of our community. Its main purpose is to encourage sports, promote healthy activities, and strengthen the spirit of unity, friendship, and teamwork among the youth. Today's final match is being played between Adnan Zuhair's team and Wasim Jani's team. Both teams performed exceptionally well throughout the tournament and earned their place in the final through hard work, dedication, and outstanding performances. Now, they are ready to compete for the championship title. As you can see in the video, a large number of spectators have gathered to watch this exciting match. Young people, children, and elders have all come to support their favorite teams. The presence of such a huge crowd shows how popular and loved volleyball is in our village and surrounding areas. This final match consists of 3 rounds, and the team that wins 2 rounds will be crowned the champion of the league. That is why every point, every serve, and every attack is important and can make a difference in the outcome of the game. The players are giving their best performances on the court. Powerful spikes, smart defensive plays, and impressive serves are making the match even more exciting. Both teams are showing great determination and fighting hard to achieve victory and make their supporters proud. Sports are not only about winning and losing, they also teach us respect, discipline, teamwork, and healthy competition. Events like this provide young people with positive opportunities, keep them engaged in healthy activities, and help build stronger communities. We would like to thank all the organizers, players, supporters, and everyone who contributed to making this volleyball league a success. Their efforts have helped create a wonderful sporting event for the entire community. Stay with us until the end to enjoy all the exciting moments of this final match. You will also witness the championship celebrations, the trophy presentation ceremony, and the special award distribution for the winning team and outstanding players. Now let's enjoy this thrilling Village Volleyball League final together. We hope you enjoy every moment of it.
टूर्नामेंट की सत्कार करते गए कोऑर्डिनेटर वाला वाद्यांची नवोपचारिक